Let's do another example of Newman projection, but this time I'm going to start from the Newman and we're going to be drawing the molecule in a line form and give the nomenclature of that, the name of the molecule. So let's get started. So I am going to draw our Newman. So the problem says from the Newman projection, give the name, draw the line structure and give the name. So now I have say here CH2, CH3, and now I have say H on this side. I have metal here, so CH3, H, and here what do I have? CH3. Okay, so that is my Newman projection, and now I'm gonna make a drawing, a line drawing from that. What we're doing is I'm going to be focused here on the front carbon. So let's say this is my front carbon, and my front carbon has these atoms. So I'm going to go and do that. This, again, this, let's do that. I'm going to point at that, and I'm going to say this is a front carbon. Front carbon, CH2, CH3, CH2, CH3. Then the carbon in the back, I don't see it here, but I need to draw it. So I'm going to make this other circle, and that is a carbon in the back. But now, the carbon in the back has one metal, two metal groups. So one metal, two metal groups. So that is the line structure. Redrawing it, it should look like that. Right? Now I need to give it a name. Let's do the IUPAC name. The rule says that we need to select the longest chain and to give it the parent name. And then we need to identify and name substituents. Lastly, we put it together alphabetically. So here the longest chain has 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 carbons. And notice I can count that here, but it's a little trickier. But let's say we do one is one of these, so because I am assigning the number 1 here, 1 to the carbon in the back, right? Then the carbon in the front, 3, 4, and 5. But probably easier that way. Notice that I did this numbering of the chain, and the parent chain here, the name is, I'm going to draw it below. So it's pent, because we have 5 carbons, so it's a pentane. And now I need to identify substituents. I know that we have a metal group here. And I chose this numbering because this way the metal group is going to be in carbon 2. If I did the other numbering and I say 1, 2, 3, and 4, then the metal will be in carbon 4. So that's the right numbering, assigning the smallest number for the location of the substituent. So complete name will be 2-methyl pentane. All right, so we see that we should be able then from this type of drawing to draw the line and to give the IUPAC name. Let's see, I'm gonna do one more drawing, but that I'm gonna do in another video.